Welcome to Rome Tips. Be sure to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. All the links mentioned in this review are down in the description below. Just a reminder that what I'm sharing here is based on my own personal experience with Nationwide. Nationwide Building Society, often shortened to simply Nationwide, is a prominent building society in the United Kingdom. With a history dating back to 1857, originating as a series of local building societies, Nationwide has evolved into a major player in the financial landscape. It boasts a vast network of branches and offers a wide array of financial products and services, catering to the needs of individuals, families, and businesses. From traditional savings accounts and mortgages to current accounts, insurance, and investment products, Nationwide provides a comprehensive suite of financial solutions. The society is particularly well known for its commitment to customer service and its community-focused approach, differentiating itself from traditional banks through its mutual ownership structure. This means Nationwide is owned by its members, not shareholders, which in theory allows them to prioritize member benefits and long-term value over short-term profits. Nationwide's long-standing presence and its commitment to ethical banking practices have contributed significantly to its reputation as a trusted financial institution in the UK. They have also actively embraced digital banking, offering online and mobile banking services to provide customers with convenient access to their accounts and financial tools. This blend of traditional values and modern technology allows Nationwide to serve a diverse clientele and adapt to the ever-changing demands of the financial industry. Further distinguishing Nationwide is its involvement in various community initiatives and charitable programs, reinforcing its commitment to social responsibility. It's worth exploring their website at nationwide.co.uk for more detailed information on specific products, services, and their broader community engagement efforts. They offer helpful resources and tools that can assist you in making informed financial decisions based on your individual circumstances.